Hey guys, so this is GhostAES. I thought I'd just make a quick video installing the pin lock on my visor because I've noticed that every time I go for a ride and I close the visor down, it basically fogs up. So I thought it's a good time to now actually install a visor. So I actually picked this up from a sportbike shop in Leeds. So we're going to be installing that today. So I thought I'd make a quick video. So the first thing I'm going to do, get straight to the point. So this is the AGV K5s helmet. So to take the visor off, just push down and then literally it'll slide out. Same thing on the other side. And then it should just pop out. There you go. Now, so don't be too scared of actually bending it. They are quite flexy, so when you do install it, you can flex it a little bit. So first thing I'm going to do is just give it a quick spray, make sure it's all clean, because obviously when you're putting the pin lock on, you want to make sure the entire surface is clean. Now you will notice there's basically two of these little pins. So when you do install the lens on, you need to make sure that this thing here, there's like an outward point. Make sure it faces outwards of your visor when installing it. So obviously this one is the Pinlock 71, which is what I picked up. Now when you install it, you just need to slide on one side. So they are actually eccentric, so should just slot in. And now you should be able to peel it off. Crap. I installed it wrong. So this part, you need to make sure this part goes down here, because this is where the silicone part is, and you can see the actual edges protrude out. So make sure slide in one section first. There we go. Should be able to just pull this off. It's really satisfying when you just pull this off. And that's it. And then it's just reverse order now. So to put the visor back on, slot one section in. So in this case, there you go, it clicks into place. And then that's it.